John Deere's Harvester Works is the largest combine harvester production facility in the world. Located in East Moline, Illinois, this massive plant spans nearly 90 acres under one roof. Here, cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship come together to create some of the most advanced harvesting machines in agriculture. The manufacturing process starts in the primary zone, where one of the most hard-working machines in the factory operates, the plasma cutter. This high-powered machine slices through steel sheets with incredible precision, burning through 2.5 centimeters of steel per millisecond. A fully automated conveyor system continuously feeds the cutter, ensuring an uninterrupted flow of raw materials for production. At the core of every John Deere harvester is the threshing rotor, a crucial component responsible for separating grain from straw. The process of constructing this rotor is both meticulous and highly technical. The first step involves assembling a 450-kilogram steel cylinder, which must be perfectly balanced to ensure smooth operation. Even the slightest imbalance can impact the efficiency of the harvester. Once the cylinder is ready, skilled workers attach individual teeth separators, which will play a key role in extracting grain during harvesting. To achieve perfect balance, the rotor undergoes testing with a high-precision balancer, a device capable of detecting irregularities as small as 21 grams. This ensures that the rotor operates smoothly at high speeds, reducing vibration and wear. Simultaneously, welding robots are busy constructing the concave lattice walls of the rotor. These grids serve as sifters, allowing separated grain to pass through while keeping unwanted debris out. The welding robots execute hundreds of precise welds in minutes. However, certain hard-to-reach areas require the expertise of human welders who carefully reinforce critical points by hand. On the other side of the workshop, teams of skilled welders are assembling the enormous grain hopper, the storage compartment that temporarily holds the harvested grain. Each hopper contains over 1,000 welding seams, with individual workers responsible for completing hundreds of precise welds. The strength and durability of these seams are critical, as the hopper must withstand the weight and pressure of tons of grain. Next comes the construction of the harvester auger, a massive shaft responsible for collecting grain and feeding it into the combine. This process begins with a machine that shapes 3 sheets of steel into cylinders with a 66-centimeter diameter. These cylinders are then welded together to form an 11-meter-long cropper. Once the key components are assembled, they move to the painting shop, where every inch of metal receives John Deere's iconic green coating. This multi-stage process not only enhances the machine's aesthetics, but also protects it from rust and wear. The process begins with an intensive 10-stage cleaning cycle, during which the parts are submerged in a specialized cleaning liquid to remove dirt, grease, and other impurities. Once clean, the parts are placed on a conveyor system and moved into a furnace for 70 minutes of drying to prepare the surface for painting. The first layer of paint is applied through a process called electrocoating. Here, paint particles are given a positive electrical charge, while the metal parts receive a negative charge. This method ensures even coverage and strong adhesion. Final painting is done in a two-stage process. First, specialized robots apply a uniform coat of paint. Then, human painters inspect the work and use airbrushes to correct any imperfections. After painting, the parts undergo another round of furnace curing at 82 degrees Celsius, ensuring long-lasting durability. The assembly of the cropper, the component responsible for cutting and gathering crops, is a highly intricate process. This part of the factory functions almost as a self-contained unit, producing 24 different types of croppers. The process starts with technicians installing the cutting device, a set of precision-engineered knives designed to ensure a uniform cutting height. To improve efficiency, yellow ramps are added. These strips move along the ground, maintaining the correct knife height for optimal crop harvesting. To protect the machine from damage, steel sheets are installed as stone guards, preventing rocks and other debris from entering the cropper. The last major component to be installed is the robust reel, which helps guide crops into the harvester. This massive structure measures 11 meters in length and is incredibly heavy. Due to its weight, technicians rely on hydraulic jacks and lifting equipment to carefully position it onto the machine. The John Deere Harvester Combine Factory is a testament to precision engineering, advanced automation, and skilled craftsmanship. From steel sheets to a fully assembled harvester, every step of production is carried out with meticulous attention to detail. These machines are more than just farm equipment. They are the result of cutting-edge innovation designed to revolutionize agriculture. John Deere's commitment to quality ensures that farmers worldwide receive reliable, high-performance harvesters capable of handling the toughest conditions. This factory is where technology meets tradition, building machines that help feed the world.